I was going to make this video, and this happened. Um, so yeah, I think it's broken. That's a bummer. Okay. I don't have a chair right now, so I'm literally just bending my knees because I'm a professional. Just kidding. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to dye wigs, or or the title should be how I dye my wig. Yeah, something like that. I can't come up with any proper title right now, so whatever title I'm saying right now might not be similar to the title I will be putting up in my video. So guys, let's begin. Whatever. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the to follow me on Instagram. It's Hotarujuno, and don't forget to turn on the notification and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Let's begin. A lot of people have been asking me on how to dye their wigs. Okay, so when I say dyeing, I don't actually means that we have to dye the wig like how we dye our actual wig. Our actual hair. No, we don't do that. I don't know if people do that, but I don't do that, so I have no idea on that. So I'm gonna just tell you my tips and tricks, or I can say DIY, on how I usually change the color of my wig. So let's begin. So before beginning, there are some things that you need to remember while you are dyeing your wig. Number one, you can't dye wig this type of color. I don't know. You can. The trick I'm going to do is will not. How to make this a sentence. In short, you can dye darker color hair. I mean to say wig color like black. Yeah, I think that's how you make a sentence. But if you are thinking of doing this technique with other kind of wig like this one, dark red, the result will not come out as you want it to come out. I hope you understand that. So next, color the wigs which will actually work on this technique are this pink, or anything that is light, very light. I suppose very light. So these are the things that you should remember. So if you are doing this technique on a color that I'm telling you it will not work, and it doesn't work, and you come up to me and say, hey, it didn't work, don't kill me. I want you. Another one, this technique that I'm doing is specifically for people in India. So the product I'm using is the product that is available in India. So I don't know about other people, like if you find this kind of stuff, it's good. If not, I don't know. So next one, if you want it easier method, there are also hair color wax which you can find in Amazon. It's 700 rupees or something, or you can buy in AliExpress. If it still works, I don't know it will work or not. I have no idea. I don't go to AliExpress right now. So I'm going to dye my pink wig, which is actually a very bad wig. It got destroyed, so I'm just gonna dye it. And you can see my hand is all bluish because I used this one and I didn't wash it properly. So here are the few things that you will need to dye your wigs in this technique. Number one, it's called ujala. Ujala, I don't know how to explain what ujala is. I think most of you Indians will know what ujala is because we have been using it ever since I was a kid. So yeah, it's ujala. So usually we use it to brighten up the white shirt we have, or anything that is in white fabric. So we used to use it for brightening up things. So nowadays I don't think many people use it. So I don't know if it is hard to find, because this one I found it very hardly. I don't know how to explain, but yeah, बहुत तकलीफ से मेरे को मिला है ये उजाला. So if you can get it easily, it's good. So I'm gonna use it this one. And the next thing you need is water, good water. Okay. And the next thing you will need is comfort fabric. It is not for the color, it's actually for the fabric of your wig. So if it is synthetic, it will make your wig more huggable, more soft. I don't know how to explain it, but just use it. Yeah. And the next thing you will need is a wig, a brighter color wig. So let's begin. So you can put as much as you want, and if you want it little bit lighter, you can put less and keep it for a few minutes. But if you want it more dark, you can put as much as you want and keep it for a day or something. It's your wish. Okay. So if your wig is very bad like mine, don't forget to detangle it while it is wet, because it is the best time to detangle all the parts. It will be easier for you to remove all those tangling. Yeah. Okay, but don't brush your hair. Okay. Cheapest wet method. So this is my cheapest method of dyeing my wig. So if you like this, do like this video, and if you like this video, do look for other video in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you did this same method, don't forget to tag me in Instagram, so showing me that, yeah, I did it, yeah, thank you for the blah 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 or something like that. So yeah, so see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.